Alright guys, it is time to get your Saturday night snack in a movie planning journal out. Turn to a blank page and get ready to write down every single thing I tell you, because this weekend we are going to be watching E.T. Now, wherever you get your movie, I highly suggest you find the original theatrical edition, because the one that they put out for like the 20th anniversary or something like that, where they added all kinds of CGI and changed E.T. and everything, absolutely horrible. You want the original theatrical edition. With that said, let's get down to what you need for your snack. The first thing we're going to eat is a basket. The first thing you need is a basket. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It was $1.25, and it kind of resembles the basket on the front of Elliot's bike. Where is it? Right there. No, almost. Right there, Elliot's bike. So go to the Dollar Tree and get you an E.T. basket. And while you are there, grab a little pack of these. They're just clear bowls. I'm going to show you what we're going to use those for in just a minute. It looks like there are 4 in a pack. Again, $1.25. The next thing you need, you can also find at the Dollar Tree, and it is moon pies. Now, I noticed that they have chocolate, they have vanilla, and they have banana. I chose banana. You can get whatever kind you want. I just chose banana because it's yellow like the moon. Actually, vanilla probably would have worked better, because the next thing I'm going to show you is this right here. Capri Sun Moon Punch. Look at that. Moon Punch by Capri Sun. I got this at Walmart. I think it was about $3. But as you can see, the moon is white on there, so maybe get some vanilla moon pies. You're also going to need Reese's Pieces. It doesn't matter what they come in, you're just going to be having a box or a bag of Reese's Pieces. They have big bags, they have little bags, they have boxes. If you want something like some popcorn, go ahead and grab a little bag of popcorn. While you are at Walmart, grab a tub of Blue Moon ice cream. This is made by Hudsonville. This is the only kind I could find there. There was a kind by Blue Bunny that was called, I don't know, Blue something, but it was like blue and white striped. If you like that, go ahead and get it. If they don't have this, go ahead and get it. And honestly, I'm not even sure if you'll be able to find this at your Walmart, so you might have to check some of your other local grocery stores. Blue Moon ice cream. And last but not least, you need some Reese's shell. Now, this is a chocolate shell. Actually, it's chocolate and peanut butter flavored, obviously. But when we put this on the cold ice cream, it hardens up and makes a shell. So that is everything that you guys are going to need. Make sure that you write it down in your journal. If you don't have one of these yet, go back and watch my video of how to make one. You can get the stickers on my website. You can get this book at the Dollar Tree, and come back around Saturday night for E.T.